AI, reflections, realities, and the road ahead. The world is changing faster than ever. At the center of it all stands artificial intelligence. Some call it the greatest tool humanity has ever created. Others fear it is replacing us, reshaping society in ways we don't yet understand. But beyond the fear, beyond the excitement, one question remains: who is truly in control? This series takes you beyond the debate, exploring AI's role from the inside out, through its own reflection. What is AI becoming? What does it mean for us? This is more than a discussion. It's a journey into the future we are creating. AI, reflections, realities, and the road ahead.